Thank you for checking out BX Bakery. Give us a call if you need some catering or some consultation. This is one of the most colorful dishes I have ever made. Simple and easy vegetable ribbon medley. This goes well by itself or just as a side dish. I hope you enjoy. Stuff is what we're going for. You see how thinly sliced this is? What I went ahead and did is that I peeled the carrot, both sides, right? And I'm just gonna go, I went down and I took off some slices already. The first few were kind of thin, but see this type of peeler is a thick peeler. That's what we want. So that way we can create this type of ribbony effect. We're just gonna press down. Actually, so here, right? So you see how thin this is? And that's what we're going for, right? Here it is, the zucchini. Right? You're gonna trim off both ends. Hold it in the hand, and we can go one. Right, so the first one, you see how this looks? We don't really, whatever, we could use it if we wanted to, right? But then now, this is where the magic starts to happen here. See, remember, press down firmly. See that? Get that out of the way, right? And we want to do that. We want to do it firmly so that way we can get both sides, right? So we're just going to grab one end and go. Here we go. Okay, right. Now we're going to get to the point. You see the white part starts to show up. So we're just going to turn it over, right? Rather the seeds start to show up, and we're going to do that. Okay, and we're going to be trying to, from when we start all the way through. Okay, there you go on that side. Okay, right. And now we could even get some more on this side too. Okay, turn it on this side. Get rid of that first piece, that's fine. See all this? All right. Okay, and what are we gonna do with these pieces here? That's fine. We're gonna waste not, want not, right? So these pieces are not gonna be so super thick. Super thin. Oh my God. And we're just going to give this a dice. All this is actually just going to dissolve this dish. I see this going on in my mind. We're just going to put this to the side. We'll do the same thing with this stuff. Just put this aside. Okay, that first, it's like whatever, right? Now even press. Do that. Those colors. Okay. nice big chunks in there. Okay. Right. Nice garlic. I'm gonna go ahead and just we have to put this also some onions, right? These onions, they're not diced, but that's red onions, right? We're gonna also add some this like that, right? And the flame is on low, and it's right. Okay, and we're gonna add a few twists of black pepper. We're gonna add some kosher salt, right? And what we're doing is we're just bringing everything together. Just want certain things to just get translucent, to look nice. Not so much color, right? Not so much whatever. It's just vegetables. That's all it is just straight vegetables. Salt. But it takes some cilantro. Right? We're going to do cilantro a few times during this day. We're building some flavors here. Alright? Building some flavors. Alright? We're going to, these are the carrots. Take these tomatoes. Okay. Tomatoes. So all this is nice and hot. So this color is really nice and hot. Right, just leave it just like this, plate it up just like that, right? Once you also get a little bit of soft butter go inside there. That butter just tends to bring everything together. Towards the end. Minus the butter oxygen.